Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase real brightness in a photo using Photoshop. So let's begin. First open Photoshop and import the photo. Remember that. Replace Ctrl and Alt button with Command and Option button in your Mac. And all the keyboard shortcuts are pretty much same. Now press Ctrl and J button for duplicate the background layer. And also create a new layer by clicking on the new layer icon. Now we have 3 layers in our layer panel. Now press D button. It will set the foreground and background colors as black and white. I have to apply white color on layer 2 or the top layer. The top layer is already selected. Press Ctrl and backspace to apply the background color. Now change the blending mode normal to soft light. Press Ctrl and E button for merge the layer with layer 1. Go to Image, Adjustment and then Brightness and Contrast. Now increase the contrast fully, click OK button. It's good enough, but I want to make the face more brighter. For this select the Quick Selection tool and make selection on face. And also on hand. Now press Ctrl and M button. Then increase the curves, but not too much. Click OK button. Now press Ctrl and L button for opening the level adjustment window. Adjust the level as your need. Click OK button. Press Ctrl and D button for remove the selections. Now it's done. Here it's before and after. For saving this photo, go to File and then Save As. Now select a location, change photo format as PNG or JPG. Also set a name for the file. Then click on Save. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.